French fries, bread toast, sandwich, burger, and even homemade snack, we extensively use this magical dip called as tomato ketchup. And we assume, be it anything, even bland food or homemade food, which my child doesn't like, he or she will definitely eat a lot and fill their stomach. This is our ultimate agenda. We don't worry much on what it contains. On the other hand, maybe we are ignorant that it contains tomato, which is healthy. Yes, it contains little amount of tomato and more of other things, which is 25% of sugar. On a regular basis, when taken, it can cause sleep issues in your children, make them hyperactive, high amount of sodium, and it is processed food, so it can bring in heartburns, acidity, and even kidney problems. It contains high fructose corn syrup, which causes heart problems, diabetes, obesity. It contains additives, and that is why it is finger licking good. We feel like eating again and again. This chemical is dangerous. Now, when we talk about overall nutrition, it has none. No protein, fiber, mineral. So it is definitely a junk food, isn't it? So let's stop using it. And what else can be used? Let me know in comment section if you want me to share some dip made of dry fruits. We are on a mission, healthy next gen. So support us, follow us, and let us know how you like this video.